Here in the video, we are going to talk about prolific error code 403. The error reads 403 forbidden. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access Prolific, but they are blocked with the forbidden error message on browsers. According to our research, the error may occur because of VPN usage, browser issues, cached data, network problems, or sometimes the error can be temporary and resolved on its own. The first thing we suggest is to disable your VPN if you are using one. Once disabled, try accessing Prolific and check for the error. If the error still comes, then try resetting your modem and computer. After doing that, check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Once cleared, reload the page and check for the error again. If the error still continues, then try accessing Prolific using a different browser. Some users have shared that Opera, Vivaldi, and Brave browsers are working fine. So switch to one of them and check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try logging in on a different device like your phone. Once logged in, check for the error. If you still get the error, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then wait and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.